In this video, we are going to go over finding the mean, median, mode, and we'll go over a little bit of range so that when we practice, you'll know how to find that as well. But the focus of the video is really on the measures of center, which are the mean, median, and mode. They're called the measures of center because they measure the center of the data. In the past, you just called the mean, median, and mode because those are the only kinds of statistics that you did. Since we will be learning other kinds, it is important that you know the general name for the mean, the median, and the mode. They are all sometimes called the average, although when you hear someone say average, they're usually talking about the mean, and we are going to go over how to find them. It says find the mean, median, and mode for the numbers in the table. So when you start, whenever you are finding the mean, you want to have a focus on the sum of the numbers. That is anytime a problem about the mean comes up. So to find the mean, we first focus on the sum. That means take all 10 numbers that we have in the table, add them together, you get 4,321. To find the mean, you take the sum of the numbers and divide by how many there are. Since there are 10 numbers in this table, we will divide by 10, and that will give us the mean, which is 432 and 1/10. To find the median, median means the number in the middle, but it is the number in the middle when you put the numbers in size order. So we take the numbers that are here in the table and we write them in size order. 373, 377, 380, 404, 423, 431, 435, 436, 461, and 601. The median is the number that is in the middle once they are written in size order. So I may even chalk off on the bottom. I'll take 4 on the left, I'll mark off 4 more on the right. If there's only one number in the middle, that number is the median. If there are two numbers in the middle, then you have to take the mean of those two numbers. The mean of those two numbers means, we just said, find the sum of those two numbers, add them up, and divide by how many there are. Since there are two, we divide by 2. The median in this case would be 427. If there's an odd number of pieces of data, then the one in the middle will be your median. It will be part of the data. When you have two numbers in the middle, then your median may not be one of the actual pieces of data that you were given. It could be the average or the mean of the two that are in the middle together. The mode is the number that is in the number that appears the most often. So you look at the numbers and you look for ones that happen more than once or happen more than any other. Since all of these happen the same number of times once, then you would say that there is no mode. If you have 2 or 3 numbers happening more than all the others, you can have multiple modes. Now, since we will be practicing on IXL when we are done with this, I am going to also go over how to find the range. To find the range, you look at your data, using the median helps sometimes, and you take the largest number, 610, it's 601, subtracting the smallest number, 373, and the range is their difference. In this case, 601 minus 373 is 228, and that is how you find the range.